Hey, it's Ben the Coin Geek, and today we're going to look at some paper money. I know a lot of my coin collecting friends don't collect paper, but usually you have enough interest to kind of want to learn a little bit more. So what we have here are two $10 gold certificates, which at first blush look to be pretty similar, but aside from looking at the conditional differences, there are a couple other things to note on these two gold certificates. Of course, the fun part is that these are actual gold certificates and that they were actually redeemable in gold coins. So there's your coin relation that you're looking for. On these guys, there's a couple different things to note. This is a series of 1922, and the other thing that paper money collectors will look at is the signature combination. This is Spielman and White. Now if we look at the other note, what you're going to see is that this is actually a series of 1907, and this signature combination is Napier and McClung. Now after that, there's a lot of little sub-varieties. One of the first things that you're going to want to look for is the serial numbers, if there's a star by them. These do not have stars. Large size banknotes with stars are usually pretty collectible. Star notes are replacement notes, pretty popular thing, and most coin collectors have heard of that. You'll notice just from the get-go that these have different, this has a lot more words right here, and this has none. And then you also may notice that the serial numbers are much larger on the 1922 than the 1907. And there's some varieties that go together with these two combinations. This one also, you'll notice, this is simply says the Act of 1882. Now the reference book that people want to use to find out more about U.S. Paper money is by the Friedbergs. And usually when somebody looks at or refers to a banknote, they refer to it based on the Friedberg number. So here's the $10 gold notes, and here you'll see all the different varieties that you have. And some of these things we're not going to get into, but just so you can see, there's all the dates, and then you have the signature combinations for each. And so we had that 1907 Napier McClung Act of 1882, okay, and then one with a star, and this one was without. So that first one was an 1169, and you'll see that's a common type, and the other one was down here was the 1922 Spielman White, and that's the common type. It's not any of these mules or star notes or other sub varieties. But you will note that they did have a small serial numbers on the 1922, and that is not what we had here. So if you like paper money, this is the book to get, Paper Money of the United States by the Friedbergs. There's so much more to paper money than it first meets the eye. It's a very fun collecting area, and these guys are pretty cool because, you know, well, look, money's cool, isn't it? I mean, I think that's what we all agree on. All right, I'm Ben the Coin Geek. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave some comments. Take care.